Gearheads, muscle car enthusiasts, and anyone who loves a little retro cool, buckle up. Today, we're taking a closer look at the legendary Plymouth Road Runner roaring back onto the scene for 2025. The Road Runner has always been about pure, unadulterated power, and that tradition continues with the 2025 model. Under the hood, you've got a monstrous supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 engine pumping out a heart-stopping 750 horsepower. That's enough to make even the most seasoned drag racer weak in the knees. Now, I know what you're thinking, 750 horsepower is a lot of muscle to handle, but fear not. The 2025 Road Runner comes equipped with a top-of-the-line 8-speed automatic transmission with performance tuning. It shifts like a dream, keeping you in control and launching you off the line with neck-snapping acceleration. But power isn't everything. The 2025 Road Runner also boasts a slew of performance-enhancing features. We're talking about Brembo high-performance brakes that can haul this beast back down from warp speed with confidence, a sport-tuned suspension that hugs the corners like a cheetah, and even a launch control system to get those perfect drag strip starts. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Road Runner stays true to its classic roots while incorporating some modern touches. The iconic long hood and short deck design are instantly recognizable, but the sleek LED headlights and taillights give it a contemporary edge. Of course, no Road Runner would be complete without its namesake, the cartoon Wile E, Coyote's nemesis. The signature decal is prominently displayed on the hood, a subtle nod to the car's heritage. But the 2025 Road Runner isn't just about power and good looks. It also offers some surprising practicality. The interior is surprisingly spacious and comfortable, with features like a heated and ventilated driver's seat and a booming premium sound system. Let's be honest though, the 2025 Road Runner isn't for everyone. It's a car for those who crave raw power, who want to experience the thrill of a true muscle car legend. So, if you're looking for a grocery getter, this probably isn't your ride. But if you're looking for a head-turning, adrenaline-pumping machine that injects a dose of nostalgia with some serious modern muscle, then the 2025 Plymouth Road Runner might just be your perfect match. This is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a reminder that sometimes the classics never go out of style. So, are you ready to answer the call of the Road Runner?